Exporting dropshipped order data in Ordoro is quick and easy. Whether you need to send order details to suppliers or analyze your dropshipping trends, here's how to generate an export file in just a few steps. Navigate to the Orders page and click Actions Export Order Info. The Export Order Summary modal will appear, allowing you to customize the report. Select the desired level of detail for the report. Click Edit to adjust the current order filters. Deselect all order statuses, then select the dropshipment requested status to include only dropshipped orders. Scroll to the Date Range section and enter the start and end dates for the orders you want to export. This will include all dropshipped orders created within these dates. Enable the time zone setting and select the appropriate time zone to ensure accuracy. Once your filters are set, click Apply to confirm your selections. Double-check the filters to ensure only relevant data is included. Then, click Export. After the report is generated, go to the Activity menu under Exports. Click the CSV button, and the file will automatically download to your computer. With this simple process, you can quickly access dropship order details whenever you need them. Keeping track of your dropshipping fulfillment has never been easier.